Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to learn the last lesson of Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles, and this is the lead guitar part, the part that starts in the second verse. So in the tablature video that I have coming out, it will go through the whole song, so you'll have to sit around like most of us lead guitarists do and wait for the tab, and because it really doesn't fit, you know, as a lead guitarist. One thing that you don't want to do is you don't want to play on top of the other parts. So to just do this, when there's another guitar doing it, it starts to get muddy. It starts to get a little out of control. So my suggestion would be, if you are playing lead on this part, you have another guitarist playing the other part, then just start out doing the chords. D minor, then A minor, just strum it out, then G. And then in the next verse, you can come in with the Alright, so let's break that down. But before we do, click that subscribe button below so that you can get notified when I have a video coming up, and make sure that you click that notification so that you'll know when I have a new video coming out. If you have a request, then leave that in the comments below, and I promise I'll get to it very soon. But I do have a lot of stuff coming up. In the month of October, I'm doing all Halloween songs. So if you have a request related to that holiday, then send it along. If you have a favorite song, I've already picked out a bunch of fun ones. Over the next couple of days, though, I'm going to do all kinds of football related songs. So you saw yesterday I had the Auburn fight song, and then later I'll have a couple of songs that are related to football, things that marching bands play, things like that. So if you have one of your favorites, then leave that in the comments as well. Also, head over to my site, which you can find in the description below. If you enjoyed these videos and would like to learn more from me, there is all the information you need to get signed up for free lessons, as well as private, group, and paid lessons with me in the guitar community. So check that out, and let's get started. Alright, so with this one, I'm going to turn my distortion off, and I'll put that back in at the end. So with this one, we are going to start with the open D string. So this one's going to go through the chords pretty much. So it's going to do D at the end, then it's going to go to A, then C, then G. So that's kind of how it ends. So the last note will be different every time. So it starts on D, then F, so that's the third fret of the D string, then second fret, then third fret, then D. Alright, and that's the main riff. So it's third, 2, open, third on A, then open, and then it goes to A the first time. Then the same thing again, 3, 2, open, 3, D, then C, then 3, 2, open, 3, then third on the E string, that's a G, then ends, D, then D again. So the whole thing, D, A, 3, 2, open, 3, then 3 on, All right, so let me do it up to speed a little bit, more to tempo, and follow the tab below. 1, 2, ready, and D, 2. Then D, A, C, G, D, A, C, G. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Stay tuned for the tab and make sure you click that subscribe button so you'll be notified with my next video. See you next time.